Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how you can check the number of apps opened each day. So the first you have to go for the settings. And right now you have to scroll down and find digital well-being. Then move to show your data. Tap on the unlocks. And as you can see, we have to switch times opened. You will be on the screen time and you have to switch it to the times opened. And as you can see right here, you can check every app that you have on your smartphone. And for example, I used camera 6 times, Google Chrome 1 time, and other apps are open at 0 times, and the most opened app today is settings for the 38 times. And of course here you can also check how it looks on the previous weeks. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.